Hold up. Hey beauties, it's Amanda back with another video. And today I'm going to be showing you my everyday makeup look. Okay guys, I'm going to take you behind the scenes and share with you some of the really cool tools that I'm using to make this video. By the way, currently I'm using a presidential teleprompter to record this video. Here's how it works. The beam splitter glass allows me to see my script while making direct eye contact with you, the audience. Nailing my scripts the first time really helps me edit my videos. More about that later. I'm going to reveal to you the rest of my creation tools. Leave a comment down below if you're using Adobe Premiere just like me, or what software you use to edit your videos. Back to the video. So what I normally do to start my makeup off, just like prep the skin, I use my Burt's Bees Garden Tomato Toner. And what toners really do, they just like wash off all the dead skin. And they just prep your skin for makeup. And you're not supposed to put on your eyes, but I always do. It just burns a little bit. Your ears. Into the hairline. Gonna let that dry, fix my eyebrow, and then after I put my toner on, I'm just gonna take my Dove beauty cream, and this is my favorite lotion right now for my face. It's not heavy, it's super lightweight, and I have pretty oily skin, and I find that it doesn't make my skin oily throughout the day. So I'm just gonna, don't forget the neck. So to start my makeup, I really don't use foundation or concealer. I'll use concealer every once in a while, but I just go straight in with bronzer. And for my bronzer, I'm just using the Milani Bronzer XL, and I love this one. It has like the two, it has a shiny color and then a matte one. And then I just take a flat contour brush, and I just go in. And I'm just contouring my forehead, my cheeks, and a little bit on the jawline. Just a little bit. And then after I finish my contour, I'm just going to take my Wet n Wild Mega Glow contour palette. And this is, I love this. It has the light powder and then it has a contour palette. But I usually just go in with a fluffy brush into the light color, and then I highlight with this. So this is almost like my concealer because it really lightens up the under eyes. All over the nose. Okay, so I just highlighted under my eyes, my T-zone, and underneath my contour. And then I just take my finger and I dip into this, put it on my nose. And then from the same palette that I highlighted my face with, I'm just gonna take the contour color, and then this is what I use to contour my nose. And then that little mark on my nose really helps me get in there. I feel like I'm revealing all my secrets. You know what I mean? Whoa, her nose isn't that small normally. Nope, she contours it every single day. Every single day. Okay. And then I'm just gonna buff away all of that. Okay, and now I'm just gonna do my eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I typically just go into the L'Oreal Paris, the Brow Stylus pen. And this just has like a nice stylist. And the color. And then I'm just gonna be taking my Maybelline New York Brow Drama. And going over my natural eyebrows. And then I normally just set my eyebrows. I just let them sit for a few minutes so like the brow drama can dry. And then while that is drying, I'm gonna go ahead and do my blush. Where's my blush brush? For blush, I'm just gonna be taking my Wet n Wild color icon and just applying that all over my cheeks. I usually take my blush up to my nose and like right below my eyes. I just think it looks more fleshy. I look good when I'm like cherry rose. And then I just blend, 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 blend. And then after I do that, I gotta blend it. And then just to go over to my contour that I already did, I'm just gonna be going back in with my Wet n Wild palette. And then I'm just gonna be taking the contour color and just carving out the rest of my cheekbone. Just because I like a darker, bronzy contour. And by the time I blend it out, it's gonna look pretty nice. Pretty nice. Trust me, I do this every day. I know what I'm doing. And then just to go back over my contour on my nose. And then I'm just gonna be carving this out. And then I usually just let this sit so then it soaks into my skin very nicely. And then I just let that sit for a few minutes, and then I go drink my coffee, go pet my cat. My eyeshadow depends on what day it is and like what I'm wearing, and so since I'm just wearing like this, what color is this? This burgundy color, I'm just gonna be taking my brown contour shade, popping it up there. I usually go for the matte out of the shade. I don't really get too snazzy with eyeshadow. And I'm just gonna be going with my Morphe 9 palette. There we go. And then I'm just gonna be going in with like a flat compact brush into the very colorful one. The shade never likes to work for me. And then I'm just gonna pop that on the crease. Don't tell me I'm out. I might be out. My makeup normally takes me like 10 minutes in the morning. Like not even. And then I'm just gonna add some mascara. Beauty YouTubers, I have another major tip for you. Come here. Use a yellow teleprompter for your video. It uses a newer ring light combined with a circular beam splitter mirror fitting over the face of it. It makes creating beauty videos super easy because I can see my makeup and make direct eye contact with the camera. It is so nice because I can actually see what I'm doing. For mascara, I'm just going to be using my Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. And this is my favorite. And I need to get more because I'm almost out. to my editor. I feel like this looks weird when I do it because I go so fast. I used to use like 10 mascaras on a daily basis, and then I found this one. Keep going. We're not done yet. And now it's highlight time. For highlight, I'm just gonna be using my Smashbox Spotlight palette. And this comes with like 3 different shades. And I've been obsessed with this one, the most bronzy one. I'm just gonna be going in with my finger, honestly. Going on the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow. We all know right there. And then just to go over it, I'm gonna go in with the brush. I like to be as glittery as, I don't know. What else do I normally do? I normally go into my brush and just blend all this out because nobody needs that much highlighter on their face. And then I normally just take a white eyeliner and go at my waterline to open up my eyes a little bit more. Don't go all the way in though, because you'll close your eyes. And then normally with a look like this, I just go in with like a nude lip color, and this is just a Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color by Rimmel London. And I'm just gonna take some highlighter and pop it right there. And then just for final touches, I'm just gonna go with my big fat fluffy brush and just make sure everything there is blended and there's no harsh lines. Nobody likes harsh lines. And then I'm just gonna take my e.l.f. makeup mist spray and I'm just gonna set my makeup. It's my favorite part. I could fall asleep doing this. Well, this is the finished look. This is what I usually go for in the morning when I wake up. I've been rocking this makeup look for about 6 years now, and it has not failed me yet, so. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments below how long you have been rocking your signature look for. And while you're at it, be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. Keep this video up right now if you want to see me make my YouTube description for this video. And how I set up my Amazon affiliate links. And now that your video is all edited up, it's time to make your YouTube description. The first 2 lines of your description is the most important. Those are the lines that capture your audience's attention. For this video, it's all about your natural makeup look as a video creator. Since my main focus is makeup tutorials, I want to give you guys the best products. To help me make more videos, I am using Amazon affiliate links to make a commission. when someone orders or clicks a product that I recommend. Here's how I grab a link from Amazon. Now add this to your YouTube description. Usually I add the name of the product followed by the link. Don't forget to tell your viewers that you made Amazon affiliate links down in the description just so they know they're there. Finish your YouTube description and then schedule it to publish. Okay guys, that takes you through a little bit of insider information on how I make and post videos. Comment below if you enjoyed our insider tips. And while you're down there, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big old thumbs up. See you guys next time.